Responsableng Gobyerno Scholarship Educational Assistance and Loan RGSIL Program. Ordinance Number 2023-30, otherwise known as the RGSIL Ordinance, was passed by the Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Miagao on July 11, 2023, and approved by the Municipal Mayor on July 21, 2023. Existing scholars under the Municipal Assistance to College Students MAX program were integrated into the RGSIL program as provided under Section 32 of the said ordinance. The RGSIL program expanded the MAX program as it includes different categories as follows: RG Scholarship Grant for Senior High School Students, RG Scholarship Grant for College Students with subcategory as follows: Academic Scholarship, Economic Scholarship, Youth Leader Scholarship, and additional financial assistance under the RG Scholarship Grant for College Student, RG Scholarship Grant for Technical Vocational Course Students, and RG Scholarship Grant for Postgraduate Students. Scholarship grants releases under the administration of Mayor Richard Garin started in 2023, inasmuch as there was no formal turnover of records during the transition from the previous administration to the present administration. There was no release of the scholarship grant in 2022 under the MAX program. Before any student can be admitted to the RGSIL program, their applications are screened by the Technical Working Group or Screening Committee, and the latter endorses those who are qualified to the RGSIL Government Board for approval. The committee and the board were created pursuant to an executive order issued by the municipal mayor. Further, to aid the Technical Working Group or Screening Committee in the screening of the RGSIL scholarship application, the members thereof are also guided by the number of slots allowed to each barangays based on the ratio of barangay population to the total municipal population. Purpose of the allocation of slots to the barangays based on population is to rationalize and evenly distribute the educational opportunities to the whole populace. The following are the number of scholars who have availed of the financial grants. For calendar year 2024, the release of scholarship grant was made in 2 batches. The first release was made in April 2024 for second semester school year 2023 to 2024, given to the same scholars who were qualified in the first semester of school year 2023 to 2024 and have maintained their scholarship qualification requirements. A total of 173 scholars were granted financial assistance. The total number of scholars was reduced as most of the college students opted to avail of the scholarship grants given by other institutions. Hence, they lost their status as RGSIL scholars. The second batch of releases in 2024 was for the first semester school year 2024 to 2025, which was made in December 2024. A total of 598 scholars were given financial assistance, including senior high schools, whose scholarship grant of 3,000 was given in full. The remaining 312 are college students, and 1 is postgraduate. Aside from these, the LGU has also given financial assistance to 80 habal-habal drivers who underwent mandatory theoretical driving course, which is a prerequisite of obtaining student driver's permit and is a key requirement for securing a driver's license. The LGU deemed it necessary to support those habal-habal drivers, mostly traversing the mountainous barangays of the municipality, and most of them have no valid driver's license but are catering to the people in remote barangays, which place them and their passengers in high risk. For calendar year 2025, the financial grant for second semester school year 2024 to 2025 was given last March 26, 2025 at the ECETU Miagao campus. As the senior high school grantee were given in full last December 2024, the release made in March 26, 2025 was given to college students and postgraduate students. A total of 349 scholars were screened and qualified. 344 are from ECETU Miagao campus and 5 are from UPB. One student has also availed of the financial assistance for the study tour. In a school year, a senior high school RGCL grantee receives 3,000. On the other hand, for college students, the academic scholar receives 5,000 per semester, while the economic scholar receives 3,000 per semester. In addition, RGCL scholars who graduated with honors or distinctions are also given certificate or medal of recognition and cash incentives. In 2023, the scholars who graduated with Latin honors were given incentives during the release on December 11, 2023. They were 7 magna cum laudes and 20 cum laudes. In 2024, the honor graduates were recognized during the Independence Day celebration, totaling 54 scholars, while in 2025, the senior high schools were given incentives during their school recognition day. In summary, a total of 81 senior high school scholars graduated with honors and 29 graduated with high honors. For ECETU Miagao campus, the honor graduates will be given incentives during their recognition, which will take place sometime this coming June 2025. For information of the public, the Office of the Mayor, Engineer Oscar Richard S. Garin Jr., together with the Office of the Municipal Legal Officer and the Human Resource Management Office, will be accepting new applications for scholarship for school year 2025-2026 after the student has already enrolled. Please visit said offices for more information and clarification.